Manic episodes, glaucoma, and allergic reactions. Do not take with opioids. Reduce hunger, help control cravings.
Oh my goodness. You guys are sleepy. Wake up. Wake up and play.
Bring 3 things with me to a desert island. Easy, hearty,
At 1 week old, it's eat and sleep. And they just ate.
What? My choices didn't have to all be pretzels. Oh, I know.
Finding your happy place with Pure One Imports.
This is little Andy.
Perfect spot for you.
Beautiful little sable boy.
More perfect space with great prices on new collections you can only find at Pure One Imports. Outdoor sale going on now.
And over there's little Molly.
Did you notice that there are so many different prices out there for the exact same room? Trivago searches hundreds of websites.
She's already starting to get her eyebrows.
And shows you the most popular hotels. You can then easily compare.
Can we see her face? Yeah, the little light marks just above her eyes. Those are going to turn into eyebrows.
Trivago shows you all the different prices for the exact same room. And that's how you can be sure that you find your ideal hotel for the best price. Hotel Trivago.
All right, Kyle and Jamie, you ready to check out your fixer-upper? We are. Let's do it.
Come on, wake up, guys. Wake up and move around. Yeah. Fat little butterballs. They're just 2, and they're getting plenty to eat. Yeah.
Really good, man. Really sharp. How do you like it?
Amazing. I love it.
The front porch
New
is
front door.
incredible.
We added the columns and the railing. We added shutters, cleaned up the brick, added a nice white trim. I think the landscape now is what makes it pop. And now I just feel like it looks like a home. This is amazing. I feel this is a big transformation. Thank you.
Awesome.
Well, I'm glad you guys like the exterior of the house. We can't wait to show you the inside. Before we do that, I want to check out the front porch.
Yes.